Yes. So in this story, we have already seen that the author is describing about himself like he has to given a work of to serve summons to a character that is Oliver Lutkins. Okay. Now he went to the place New Million where Lutkins lived. Okay, and there he found a man that was, and he was also impressed with him. Who was that person? Deliver man. Okay, and now he is describing, actually the deliver man is Lutkins, Oliver Lutkins, but author was not sure about it and he didn't see him before. That is why he was not sure that he is spending his hours and time and also enjoying the company of Lutkins, because he was thinking that he is a deliver man. Okay, and in this way Lutkins was making him food. Okay, and also also taking benefit from him, like he was also doing his business from author. Now author is telling about that. Okay, so this time author was telling that he was enjoying much his company. Okay, and this time Lutkins made suggest him that he will be going to find out Lutkins. The deliver man suggested author that he will be going first to find Lutkins and he will be just wait outside. Okay, so after Fritz shop they went to Gustav's a barber's shop. Okay, Gustav जो barber है उसकी shop में वो जाते हैं and again they repeat the same plan as he had made, as deliver man has made. What was that? That he will be coming inside to search Lutkins and the the author will be waiting outside. Okay, so he went to Gustav's and he had probably gone to graze for a shave. As he climbed back, first when he entered in Gustav's, Gustav was a Swede. Swede means he belongs to Sweden. Okay, वो Sweden का रहने वाला था. So he answered when he asked that had he seen Lutkins. So he answered that the Swede had not, and he also said angrily. He replied angrily to the deliver man that what he replied? I haven't seen him and don't care to. But if you find him, you can just collect that $35 he owes me. And he angrily replied that he didn't see or he had not seen Lutkins. If the deliver man will meet him, so he will ask to return the money of Gustav's. Okay, कि वो उससे पूछे कि वो उसके जो मनी उसके पास है वो उसको रिटर्न कर दे, right? And after that when we were coming back, okay, and also one customer from the Gustav's shop, we missed Lutkins by only 5 minutes. He had just one customer, like he also asked the customers, so one of the customers thought he had seen Lutkins walking down main street this side of the hotel. So one customer of the Gustav's shop has replied them that he had seen Lutkins walking the hotel side, right? And then as we climb back into the hack, we concluded that since Lutkins had exhausted means finished. Okay, and concluded means concluded like he just made an opinion about him. वो उसका ये मानना था, डिलीवर मैन का ये मानना था that Lutkins has already taken all credit from Gustav's. Okay, so maybe he will not come back to his shops because Gustav's is not going to do anything else for him. Okay, अब Gustav's तो उसको कुछ मदद करेगा नहीं क्योंकि वो जितना उसको प्रॉफिट लेना था, क्रेडिट लेना था, वो सारा उधार से ले चुका है. So now definitely he will be he had probably gone to graze for shave. Okay, कि वो जरूर जो दूसरा बार्बर है उसकी शॉप पर गया होगा. Then at Gray's barber shop we missed Lutkins by only 5 minutes. Now they came to know that already before 5 minutes he has gone from that place also. Okay, probably for the pool room. Now they went to pool room and at the pool room it appeared that he had just bought a pack of cigarette and gone out. कि उन्हें वहाँ भी यही जानने में मतलब सुनने के लिए मिला that before 5 minutes he has gone from this place also and he also purchased a packet of cigarette for him. Okay, cigarette. And then, so we pursued him. Pursued means chased. We chased him just behind him, but never catching him. Okay, means just they were like behind him. They were just walking behind him, and he was just before them, but they were unable to catch him. Okay, ये उसके पीछे पीछे चल रहे थे, लेकिन उसको कैच नहीं कर पा रहे थे. For an hour till it was past 1 o'clock, I was hungry, but I had so enjoyed Will's rough country opinions about his neighbors that I scarcely cared whether I found Lutkins or not. Now this time author is telling that how much he was enjoying the company of believer man. Like he is telling that he was like it was almost 1 o'clock and the author was hungry. Okay, he wanted to eat something, but he was enjoyed. I had so enjoyed Will's rough country. Rough country, now rural area, because in the starting he was describing the that new mullion, how the place is. Okay, so he is telling this place was rough, but the country opinion about his neighbors that I scarcely cared, मतलब जो hardly cared whether I found Lutkins or not. मुझे इस बारे में मैं ये भी भूल चुका था how much he was enjoying the company of believer man that he has forgot his task, कि वो इसमें अपना टास्क ही भूल चुका था. How beautifully the person is describing the rough countryman and the rough country sides. Okay, जितने अच्छे तरीके से न्यू मिलियन को वो उसके सामने रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा था. How about something to eat? I suggested. Let's go to the restaurant and I will pay you lunch. Okay, how about something to eat? Now the author asked for him, like he was hungry, so he asked to eat, and he also offered. He also suggested, like author suggested to the believer man that let's go to a restaurant and I will pay you lunch. Now he was enjoying much that he was ready to pay for his lunch also. अब वो believer man के lunch के लिए pay करने के लिए भी ready है. Well, I ought to go home to the wife. I don't care much for these restaurants. Only 4 of them and they are all bad. Tell you what we will do. We'll get the wives to pack up a lunch for us. She will charge you more than $50 and it would cost you more for a greasy meal in a restaurant, and we'll go up to Red Hill and enjoy the view while we eat. Okay, now the believer man has replied that he was ready to go at his home because his wife will be waiting for him, and she would have a food for him. Okay, कि उसने she had prepared already, कि उसने खाना बना लिया होगा and he will be going to his home. Why? Because I don't care much for these restaurants. Only 4 of them and they all are bad. Okay. Now he told the believer man told the author that only 4 restaurants are there and all are having the bad food, so he doesn't like to eat from anyone else, right? And she won't charge, and also he offered him like he will be asking to his wife to pack a lunch for them. For them means like including he. Okay, कि वो उससे पूछेगा, अपनी वाइफ से पूछेगा कि वो उसके दोस्त यानी कि ऑथर के लिए भी lunch pack कर. Then he also told author that she won't charge you more than $50. $50 means 50 cents, कि वो तुम्हारे लिए 50 cents से ज़्यादा डॉलर चार्ज नहीं करेगी, सिर्फ 50 cents ही वो तुम्हारे लिए चार्ज करेगी. And it would cost you more for a greasy meal in a restaurant. Greasy means oily food, जो कि तुम्हारे लिए हेल्दी भी नहीं हो सकता, मतलब वो तो बहुत कॉस्टली है. जो ग्रीजी मील है उससे बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्दी फूड जो मेरी वाइफ प्रिपेयर करेगी और उसके लिए बहुत कम चार्ज वो तुम्हें मतलब आस्क करेगी. एंड वी गो अप टू वेड्स हिल, और उसके बाद हम वो लंच लेकर के वेड्स हिल जाएंगे और वहाँ पर वी ऑल्सो एंजॉय द व्यू व्हेन वी ईट. मीन्स बाय टेकिंग लंच वी ऑल्सो एंजॉय द व्यू फ्रॉम दिस हिल. Now these are the questions that you can find out the answers of these questions in the next part of this. Okay, what more does Will say about Lutkins and his family? Does the narrator serve the summons that day? And who is Lutkins? Okay. I know that Will's helpful to the young fellow from the city was not entirely a matter of brotherly love. Means now author is telling that he was sure about it, that he also understood that the person who was very helpful, okay, like the deliver man was very helpful for him, right? But it was not show like he was showing his brotherly love and he was treating me like a brother, or just he was showing his affection to me. No, no, he was also doing his business. Like I was paying him for his time. In the end, I paid him for 6 hours, including for lunch hour, at what was then a very high price. कि वो मुझसे अपना बिजनेस भी कर रहा था, जैसे कि मैंने उसे एवरी आवर के लिए पे किया. ओके, ही पेड him for 6 hours including the lunch hour also. He has also paid for the lunch, right? And at what was then it was a very high. So the author has paid him a very high price for all that. Okay, and but he was no more dishonest than I. मतलब जैसे कि वो मुझे चीट कर रहा था, I was also doing the same thing. ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ वही मेरे साथ ऐसे कर रहा था. I was also doing the dishonesty. Like I charged the whole thing to the firm. मैंने जितना भी उसको चार्ज किया वो सब किसके अकाउंट से किया? फर्म के अकाउंट से. But it would have been worth paying him myself to have his presence. But you know how I was enjoying his company, and his company was too good for me. Like I was ready to pay from my pocket also, isn't it? कि मैं अपनी पॉकेट से भी अगर मुझे पे करना पड़ता, then I was ready to pay because his presence was priceless for me. His cheerful country wisdom was very refreshing to a country boy like myself who was sick to the city. Okay, means now he is telling the talkings of him, how in what way he was talking with him. His cheerful country wisdom, जो उसकी समझदारी और बहुत ही एंजॉय दिलाने वाली बातें थी, was very refreshing. वो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा रिफ्रेश कर रही थी. वो country boy. Country boy means मुझे like myself who was sick of the city life, जो कि मैं अपनी सिटी की लाइफ से बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान हो चुका था. तो वो रूरल यानी कि जो कंट्री रूरल से, यहाँ पर जो रूरल एरिया से रिलेटेड वो बातें कर रहा था, लेकिन बहुत समझदारी भरी बातें वो कर रहा था. So these were making me refreshed. And as we sit on the hilltop looking over the pastures means grassland, and creek means waterfall, जो पानी का झरना होता है. Okay, creek which slipped among the trees, जो पानी के बीच में से trees के बीच में से जो पानी बह रहा था, वो सब वो देख रहे होते हैं वहां से बैठे हुए from the hill. And he talked of New Million and painted a picture in words of all the people in it. Okay, now the author is telling about the deliver man, that how beautifully he was describing the people of New Million to him, right? He noticed everything. ऐसा लग रहा था कि वो हर छोटी छोटी बात को बहुत डीपली नोटिस करता है. But no matter how much he might laugh at people, you know, first as he was looking much on that people, कि कभी तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा हंस रहा था उन लोगों की बातें बता कर, and he also understood and forgave their foolishness. और वो ऐसा नहीं कि वो सिर्फ उनकी मजाक बनाता है, उन पर हंसता है, वो उनको समझता भी है and also forgave their foolishness, और उनकी बेवकूफ़ी के लिए उनको माफ भी कर देता है कई बार. ऐसा कह करके like he described the means might laugh at people and he also understood and forgave and their foolishness. मतलब वो कोई ना कोई वैलिड रीजन दे देता है और इसके बाद वो इस तरीके से उनकी फूलिशनेस को माफ कर देता है, इग्नोर कर देता है. He described the minister's wife. Now the author is telling that the deliver man has given one example to him, like he described the minister's wife who sang a loudest in church when she was most in debt. Okay, कि जब भी वो बहुत ज़्यादा कर्ज में डूबी हुई होती है, so she sang loudest, बहुत तेज आवाज में वो गाती है. And he also gave one another example. He commented on the boys who came back from college in fancy clothes. उनके ऊपर भी वो कमेंट करता है, जो बच्चे जो स्कूल मतलब कॉलेज बॉयज हैं वो फैंसी ड्रेस में स्कूल कॉलेज से वापस आते हैं. And also he gave one another example. He told about the lawyer whose wife could never succeed in getting him to put on both a collar and a tie on the same day. Means जिसकी wife always asked to him, whose wife always asked to him to wear both the thing on same time. Like जो लॉयर पहनते हैं एक वाइट कलर की स्ट्रिप होती है, ठीक है, वो भी कॉलर जिसको बोलते हैं, एंड प्लस टाई, वो टाई और कॉलर एक ही टाइम में उसको पहने हुए देखना चाहती है। ओके, ही मेड देम ऑल लिव, उसने ये सारा मीन्स इन अ वेरी लाइक इट वाज अ रियल इमेजिनेशन फॉर द ऑथर, बिल्कुल रियली उसने इमेजिन किया उन सबको। On that day, I came to know New Million better than I did the city and to love it better. Means now author is telling that as he was living means for a long time in a city, but it was not better to him. Like अभी तक वो इतना city के बारे में नहीं जान पाया था जितना betterly वो New Million को जान गया था. And now it was sufficient for him to love this place. Okay. इस प्लेस को लव करने के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा वो अट्रैक्ट हो चुका था ना दिस फ्रॉम दिस प्लेस. विल डिडंट नो अबाउट कॉलेज एंड सिटीज. नाउ ऑथर इज टेलिंग कि विल वाज नॉट अ वेरी लिटरेट पर्सन, ही वाज नॉट हैविंग द नॉलेज ऑफ मच अबाउट कॉलेज एंड सिटीज, but he had traveled around a lot of the country, so and had a lot of jobs. From his adventures he had brought back a philosophy of simplicity and laughter. He strengthened me. Okay, now author is telling about Bill, that Bill wasn't having an experience of college and cities, but he has done many adventures, like he traveled many places and also he had did many jobs, okay, related to those places. So from these adventures he got a technique. Philosophy means belief, a technique of leading a life in a simplicity and laughter. उसके अकॉर्डिंग हंसना और एक बहुत सादी जिंदगी जीना बहुत अच्छा होता है. And that all his opinion and belief also strengthened me. Now उनसे मुझे भी मतलब कहने का पॉजिटिव एनर्जी मुझे भी मिली. We left that peaceful scene of meadows and woods. Now author is telling finally we went from this place. वो वहाँ से चले जाते हैं, right? And that was we leave the scene of meadows. Meadows means fields. जहाँ पर वो बैठे हुए ये सब डिस्कशन चल रहा था. So they leave this place and also those woods and resume means restart their journey, their search of Oliver Lutkins. Now they again started searching Oliver Lutkins. We could not find him. At last they cornered means forced someone. Will cornered a friend of Lutkins and made him admit what he guessed. Oliver's gone out to his mother's farm 3 miles north. We drove out there laying plans. Okay, now author is telling that the next will cornered मतलब यहाँ पर घेरने से भी होता है, फोर्स करना होता है वैसे, लेकिन यहाँ पर घेर लेना. उसने एक फ्रेंड को, लुटकिंस के एक फ्रेंड को घेर लिया एंड ही आज मेड हिम एडमिट, और मजबूर कर दिया, फोर्स कर दिया उसको एक्सेप्ट करने के लिए. उसने गेस किया कि अब लुटकिंस कहाँ हो सकता है. सो द फ्रेंड टोल्ड देम दैट ऑलिवर हैज गॉन आउट टू हिज मदर्स फार्म, कि इस समय ऑलिवर अपनी मदर की फार्म पर गया हुआ है. एंड नाउ दे स्टार्टेड गोइंग टू दैट प्लेस दैट वाज 3 miles north. We drove out there. Now we were going there and we also making some plans. Laying plans means making plans to catch him. Okay. I know Oliver's mother. Now author is telling that he knew already the Oliver's mother, who Deliver Man was familiar with Oliver's mother. Now as he was describing this, she is a terror. वो उनके अपीयरेंस को बता रहा है. डिलीवर मैन ऑथर को लुटकिंस की मदर के अपीयरेंस को बताता है. हाउ शी लुक. ओके. विल साइड, अब वो बहुत डरा हुआ है जैसे उसके बारे में वो बता रहा है. आई टुक अ ट्रेंड, अब वो एक इंसिडेंट बताता है. नाउ द डिलीवर मैन टोल्ड एन इंसिडेंट. ही स्पेंड अ टाइम लाइक ही स्पेंड हिज टाइम विद हिज मदर. हुज मदर? Oliver's mother. I took a trunk out there for her once. एक बार उनको एक ट्रंक डिलीवर करना था उनकी मदर को. एंड शी ऑलमोस्ट टुक माय स्किन ऑफ बिकॉज़ आई डिडंट ट्रीट इट लाइक अ बॉक्स ऑफ एग्स. शी मेड एंग्री विद हिम. वो बताता है कि वो कितना गुस्सा हो गई थी, ऐसे लग रहा था मेरी. शी ऑलमोस्ट टुक माय स्किन ऑफ बिकॉज़ आई डिडंट ट्रीट इट लाइक अ बॉक्स ऑफ एग्स. बॉक्स ऑफ एग्स मींस अ डेलिकेट थिंग. ओके. वो यहाँ पर बताते हैं कि एक बार ऐसे लग रहा था उनको, वो इतना गुस्सा हो गई थी कि ऑलमोस्ट टुक माय स्किन ऑफ, कि जैसे वो मारते मारते उनकी चमड़ी ही उधेड़ देंगी, इतना वो गुस्सा उस पर हो जाती है. एंड he also gave a reason, because I didn't treat it like, he didn't treat the trunk box like a box of eggs, like a delicate thing. उन्होंने उसको delicate thing की तरह से क्यों नहीं हैंडल किया? She is about 9 feet tall and 4 feet thick and quick as a cat. How is she? Means वो 9 feet तो tall है and बहुत मोटी भी है, 4 feet thick है and quick as, और कितना quick है वो, जैसे कि cat होती है, and she sure can talk, means she is too talkative also, right? And I will bet Oliver heard that somebody is chasing him, so and he is gone on there to hide behind his mother's skirts. Now the deliver man was making bet with author that he was sure, definitely sure about Lutyens, that definitely he has already known about you, that you are going to chase him. That is why he had gone there, and he definitely be hiding in her mother's, behind his mother. Okay, कि वो अपनी माँ के मदर के पीछे जाकर के छिप गया होगा. But you better let me do it, boy. You may be great at literature and law, but you haven't had real training of swearing. Swearing means an offensive language or abusive language. Okay, जो abusing language होती है. So now the person told him and made him sure about it that it will be better for him, author. It will be better for author if author will give this chance, try to search Oliver to this person, to deliver person. Okay, it will be better because according to him, author was well educated, okay, and was experienced about the law and literature, but he doesn't know the countryside well. Okay, like the language and how they treat to the near and dears. Okay, तो वो कहता है कि तुम बहुत अच्छे से इन लोगों को नहीं डील कर पाओगे because you don't know, because author was not aware about the swearing means an offensive language, कि वो वहाँ के तौर तरीकों और लैंग्वेज से वाकिफ नहीं था. That is why he was unable to treat them properly. Okay, so he made him he suggests that it will be better that the only deliver man is going to treat them, कि वो ही उनसे बात करेगा और उसके फेवर में. Okay, we drove into the poor farmyard. We were faced by an enormous and cheerful old woman. Now author is telling that they finally went to that place, they visited that place, they went into the that poor farmyard. Okay, and we were faced by an enormous means huge and cheerful old woman. My guide now is telling to the person, the deliver man, my guide bravely went up to her and said, remember me. I am Bill Magnuson, the guider and hackman. I want to find your son Oliver. Now author is telling that the deliver man, my guide, asked that lady directly that he is there. Finally first he asked if she remembered him or not. Okay, and then he makes her sure that he has come to find out his son. Okay, because from a long time they were searching to him. I don't know anything about Oliver. I don't want to, she shouted. Now she replied that she was not, she doesn't know anything about Oliver and also she doesn't want to know anything about him. Okay, ना तो वो जानती थी कि वो कहाँ है और ना ही वो जानना चाहती थी. Now look here, we have had just about enough nonsense. This young man represents the court in the city and we have a legal right to search all properties of this Oliver Lutyens. Now my friend, my guide has told to that lady that now that we have already faced many nuisance. Okay, हम पहले से बहुत सारे nonsense face कर चुके थे. So he also represented in front of that lady that this is the person. उस deliver man ने मेरे बारे में बताया that there is a person who is searching to your like he has to represent your son to the court in the city. Okay, and we have means he has a legal right means a warrant to search all the properties of Oliver Lutyens. तो इसके पास वारंट है कि ये सब प्रॉपर्टी को चेक कर सकता है Lutyens की. They made me sound very important and the woman was impressed. एक बार के लिए मुझे लगा कि बिल ने मुझे बहुत अच्छे से रिप्रेजेंट किया उसके सामने, लाइक she retired means she went into the kitchen and we followed, और हम उसके पीछे पीछे ही चले गए. She seized an iron from the old-fashioned stove and marched on us shouting. Marched means attacked. And seized an iron means एक जला हुआ आग का कोई टुकड़ा जैसे बोल देते हैं. आग से जला हुआ कोई आयरन. आयरन मीन्स आयरन का कोई टुकड़ा. ठीक है, तो उसने आयरन के कुछ पीसेस उठाए जले हुए पुराने स्टाइल के स्टोव से एंड अटैक्ड ऑन देम शाउटिंग. वो चिल्लाते हुए उन पर दोनों पर अटैक करती है. You search all you want to, if you don't mind getting burned first, she shouted and laughed at our frightened retreat. Retreat means go back and frightened means afraid. Okay. Now author is telling that the lady attacked on us and also shout that if we don't mind getting burned first, अगर हमें जलना नहीं है तो हमें वहां से तुरंत चले जाना चाहिए. और इतना कह करके वो तो बहुत तेज से हंस देती है because we already afraid and started going back. Let's get out of here. She'll murder us. Will whispered. Outside he said, did you see her smile? She was laughing at us. Okay. बिल ने मुझे धीरे से कहा कि वो हमें मार ही डालेगी, हमें जल्दी से बाहर चले जाना चाहिए. And when we came out, so he also suggested that he also told that how she was laughing at us on them. Okay, कि वो कैसे उन पर हंस रही थी. Okay, and it was really very bad how she was behaving with them. Then I agreed that it was pretty disrespectful treatment. कि मैंने कभी से इतना बुरा disrespect वाला वेलकम नहीं देखा था जो मेरे साथ अभी हुआ था जैसे उसने ट्रीट किया. We did, however, search the house, but finally we wanted to know that if Lutkins was there or not. So my friend, my guide, helped me to search the house. मेरे friend ने मुझे मदद किया. Since it was only one story. Story means मंजिल, एक ही मंजिल का वो घर था. Hi, and we went round it peering. Peering means looking in at all the windows. तो इसलिए बिल ने बहुत अच्छे से मुझे हेल्प किया. उसने सभी विंडोज से फाइनली घर को देख लिया कि वहां पर कुछ भी नहीं था. We examined the barn. Barn means होता है out place, out house. Okay, like for the animals or out area. And stable means a shelter of horse. So we searched everywhere, right? But we didn't get anything. Like we were responsible, certain that Lutkins was not there. Means we didn't find Lutkins there. Okay. It was nearly time for me to catch the afternoon train. Now the time was up and the author has to go back to city. Now he has to catch his train, afternoon train. Okay. And they drove me to the station. On the way of the city, I worried very little over my failure to find Lutkins. I was too busy thinking about Will Magnuson. Really, I considered returning to New Million to practice law. If I had found Will so deep and richly human, might I not go to love, praise and Gustav an honest and happy life beyond the strict limits of universities and law firms. Okay, now author is telling that he was not thinking a little about his failure, that he was unable to find out his victim. Okay, but he was all the time busy in to think about the person who was spending time with him, who was giving his time with him. Okay, he was busy to think about the person like believer man. Okay, that how helpful he was and how richly human he was. मतलब वो कितना अच्छा और helpful person है, kind hearted है. And he also thought that if he will be living in this place like in New Million, so definitely slowly he will be having many friends like Fritz, Gustav will be familiar with him, or he will be leading his life happily with those persons like how helpful and all the people will be there like he was expecting. Okay, like behavior from this person, from believer. And this time he was also thinking that 100 other slow spoken simple wise neighbors, मतलब और भी बहुत से लोग उसके वहाँ पर फ्रेंड्स बन जाएंगे, वो उनके साथ बड़े अच्छे से टाइम एंजॉय कर रहा होगा. And I pictured an honest and happy life beyond the strict limits of universities and law firms. कि यहाँ जो ये सिटी वाली लाइफ है इससे निकल करके और ये फॉर्म जो जिसमें वो काम कर रहा है इससे बहुत ज़्यादा खूबसूरत लाइफ होने वाली है. ही विल बी लिविंग इन दैट प्लेस द न्यू मिलियन. ओके, आई वॉज एक्साइटेड. आई हैड फाउंड अ ट्रेजर. उसे ऐसा लग रहा था कि उसे कोई खजाना मिल गया है. I had discovered a new way of life. Means this was a very beautiful place to live there. But if I didn't think much about Lutkins, the office did. I found them all upset. Next morning, the case was coming up in the court, and they had to have Lutkins. I was shameful, unless fool. Okay, as I was busy in thinking about Lutkins, and I was sorry about that believer man, and I was not thinking about Lutkins, so definitely office will think about me, like they will dismiss me, right? So I found them all upset, and next morning the day was like case was coming up in the court, so and they had to have Lutkins, means they want their victim, and I was shameful. Now this time I was regretting and very useless fool front of them, and that morning my promising legal career almost came to an end before it had begun. मतलब शुरू होने से पहले ही मुझे लग रहा था मेरा करियर खत्म होने वाला था. The chief almost murdered me. ऐसा लग रहा था कि चीफ मुझे मार ही डालेगा, and he hinted that I might do well at digging ditches. Ditches means drain और digging means fill करना. Okay, now he suggested me, the chief suggested me to just go and till the ditches. उसने मुझे सजेस्ट किया कि मुझे तो जाकर के बस खाई की खुदाई करनी चाहिए और कोई काम मेरे बस की बात नहीं है. I was ordered back to New Million, and with me went a man who had worked with Lutkins. Now who was experienced and who has seen already Lutkins. The man from office has been sent with me again to New Million. ऑथर के साथ फिर से एक ऑफिस के नए व्यक्ति को उनके साथ भेजा जाता है न्यू मिलियन के लिए एक बार फिर से to find out the Lutkins, and that person already has seen the Lutkins. Okay, इस person ने पहले से Lutkins को देखा हुआ है. ऐसे व्यक्ति को उनके साथ भेजा गया. I was rather sorry. मैं बड़ा sorry feel कर रहा था because it would prevent my laughing. Laughing means as I was first spending my time or my spare time with the person, my idle time, all over again with them. अब मुझे बड़ा अजीब फील हो रहा था कि इस बार मैं इस पर्सन की वजह से अपने उस मित्र के साथ टाइम स्पेंड नहीं कर सकता जिसने मुझे पहले बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी कंपनी दी थी. When the train arrived at New Million, Will was on the station platform near his cart. Strangely enough, you know, now he is telling कि जैसे ही वो लोग वहाँ पहुँचे, so he just seen there at the station Will was standing near the platform near his cart. वो platform was really surprising and shocking for the author that the old Tigress Lutkins' mother was there talking and laughing with Will, not quarreling at all. कि जो Lutkins की मदर जो पहले हम पर अटैक कर रही थी अब वो झगड़ने के लिए है बल्कि वो Will से बहुत अच्छे से हंसकर बातें कर रही है. From the train steps, means train के अंदर से ही I pointed Will out to my companion and said, "There is a fine fellow, a real man. I spent the day with him." He he informed to his companion. Author informed his companion that this is pointing out the Will that this is the person who helped me when I came before to search Lutkins. Okay, and he is a really very nice man, real man. He had you hunt for Oliver Lutkins. So he asked a question, he raised a question that कि क्या ये वही व्यक्ति है जिसके साथ मैंने अपना टाइम मतलब जिसने मुझे मदद की थी ओलिवर लुटकिंस को फाइंड सर्च करने में. Yes, he helped me a lot. Then I replied, yeah, बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प की थी. He must have. He is Lutkins himself. क्यों नहीं की होगी? अरे यही तो Lutkins है. What really hurt me was that when I served the summons, Lutkins and his mother laughed at me as though I were a bright boy of 7. With loving kindness, they begged me to go with them to a neighbor's house for a cup of coffee. और मुझे ये बात इतना हर्ट नहीं की जब मुझे पता चला कि ये वही व्यक्ति था जिसको मैं इतना अच्छा समझ रहा था. वो खुद लुटकिंस था जो मुझे बेवकूफ़ बना रहा था. इस बात ने मुझे इतना हर्ट नहीं किया बल्कि मुझे इस बात ने इतना हर्ट किया जब लुटकिंस और लुटकिंस की मदर ने मुझसे पूछा उनके साथ जाने के लिए उनके नेबर्स के यहाँ एक कप कॉफ़ी पीने के लिए. क्यों पूछा? बिकॉज दे वर ट्रीटिंग मी like a bright boy of 7, लविंग काइंडनेस, जो बहुत मासूम सा एक लविंग काइंडनेस वाला 7 साल का बच्चा होता है, मुझे बिल्कुल ऐसे बेवकूफों की तरह ट्रीट कर रहे थे. एंड यू नो व्हाई दे आर लाइक दैट? आई टोल्ड देम अबाउट यू, ये लुटकिंस के वर्ड्स हैं. आई टोल्ड देम अबाउट यू. नाउ ही इज टेलिंग अबाउट हिज नेबर्स. वो अपने नेबर्स के बारे में कह रहा है कि उसने अपने नेबर्स को जब बताया, एंड दे आर एंग्जियस टू लुक एट यू, कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड है तुम्हें देखने के लिए. किसको देखने के लिए? ऑथर को देखने के लिए. लाइक लिटकिंस सेड जॉयफुली. लिटकिंस ने ये बात बड़े मजाक वे में, मतलब बहुत हंसते हुए मॉकिंग वे में बोली. दे आर अबाउट द ओनली फोक्स इन द टाउन दैट मिस्ड सीइंग यू यस्टरडे. कि बस एक वही बचे हैं जो कल तुम्हें नहीं देख पाए थे. बाकी मेरे जितने भी रिलेटिव्स हैं उन्होंने तुम्हें कल देख लिया था कि तुम वही पर्सन हो जो लुटकिंस के साथ घूमते हुए लुटकिंस को भी सर्च कर रहे हैं.